Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the people that say COVID ain't real, and to all the people that say I need to go and get a trim and stop wasting my time inside and go outside when I'm just trying to stay alive. Yeah, that's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to watch shows with quarantine, stuck up in my room cause of COVID-19. Vision board on my wall. Every Saturday me the plan says somewhere moulda gone. Now me just a yam again fat. I'm in a workout so me belly getting very fat. Way fat, cause when I go to the shop I buy lots of snack to snack. Remember jobs in school, they hard. Never know that 2020 would be this hard. Now me pa me last dollar cause the time's tight. Girls getting paid, all of them I create my OnlyFans page. Zimmer, this year me the plan to find my crystal fi cook fi my dinner. Different foods are a feast, even juicy beef that me miss. COVID a strike, every day a spike. So in my room, I ask me a hide. Call me a fool if you like me no mind. Me inside, and if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Very well. You're a fool if you don't stay inside. COVID don't far. Well, like say you're stuck, and you're gonna end up with lots of pain and more.
Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out Production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash, Big Bad Boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.